What's up everyone, it's Bitomat and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency with a focus on BNB. Specifically, we're going to show you how to sell your BNB completely anonymously without KYC using Bitomat's Bitcoin ATMs. You don't need to go through any lengthy verification processes or share your personal information. Maybe you value your privacy or need to cash out quickly without any hassle. This step-by-step guide will provide you with a secure and convenient way to sell your BNB without KYC using Bitomat's Bitcoin ATMs. First things first, you need to find a Bitomat Bitcoin ATM near you. Just head over to Coin ATM Radar or visit our website, bitomat.com, to find the closest ATM to your location. You can filter your search by location, cryptocurrency, and even the type of transaction you want to make. Once you've found a convenient location, make a note of the address and the ATM's operating hours. Some ATMs might be available 24/7, while others might have specific hours of operation. It's always a good idea to check beforehand to avoid any surprises. Alright, you've found your Bitcoin ATM, now let's get down to business. Once you're at the ATM, select the Sell Cryptocurrency option on the screen. Select BNB from the list, and enter the amount of BNB you want to sell. The ATM will display the current exchange rate for BNB to cash, so you know exactly how much you'll be getting. Now let's move on to the next chapter and get you that cash. Here comes the fun part. We're going to generate a Bitomat address for you to send your BNB to. On the ATM screen you'll see an option to print out a Bitomat address specifically for BNB transactions. The ATM will then print out a slip of paper containing a QR code and a barcode. The QR code represents Bitomat's wallet address for BNB, while the barcode contains information about your transaction. Make sure you keep this piece of paper safe, as you'll need it to complete your transaction. You can always take a picture of the QR code and barcode with your phone as a backup. Now it's time to send your BNB to the Bitomat address you just printed out. Open up your BNB wallet on your phone or computer, and enter the amount of BNB you want to sell. Carefully scan the QR code on the Bitomat address printout, or manually enter the wallet address. Double check that you've entered the correct address to avoid any mistakes. Your BNB will be sent to Bitomat's wallet, and the blockchain will begin processing your transaction. You'll receive a notification once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Once your BNB transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain, head back to the Bitcoin ATM and select the Redeem or Cash Out option. The ATM will then prompt you to scan the barcode on the Bitomat address printout you received earlier. Once verified, the ATM will dispense your cash, and you'll receive a receipt for the transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully sold your BNB without KYC using Bitomat's Bitcoin ATMs. And that's it. You've successfully sold your BNB without KYC using Bitomat's Bitcoin ATMs. Remember to always stay safe and practice good operational security when using crypto ATMs. Be aware of your surroundings, protect your PIN, and never share your private keys with anyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.